In this video tutorial, what we're going to look at doing is how we can add or edit text within a page or a post within the website. So let's just have a look at some of these things now. Just a quick thing to note, because we've already logged in, we've got this option menu bar up here, so we can easily navigate around and easily make edits if we need to, and I'll show you how we do that. So let's just say, for example, we go to a page. I'm just going to click on one bedroom spa, and we see we've got some information here on that page. And we can easily edit this page by just clicking on edit page, or otherwise, if we're in the dashboard, just quickly go to the dashboard, go to the pages option on the left, just click on this, it'll show us all the pages. We could navigate to that particular room that we want to edit and just click edit there as well. So I'm just going to go back to the main website, so you can choose which method you like to use, and I'm just going to select a page. I'm just going to click on studio accommodation now. Because I'm there, I can easily just click up the top here and say edit page, and just show you a little bit of the administration area now. We can see that here's some text in here. Got an image there as well. We've got some text under the image, and what we're going to see as well, in particular for the accommodation pages, there's additional little bits of text boxes to add. This is a little bit more than what a general page would have. It's just set up that way just for specific formatting of bits of information on the website, and we'll look at each one of those as well. But for now, I'll just look at a nice easy thing of just saying, for example, if we needed to update this text, it's pretty much like any word processing software. You can highlight something, you can delete it out, you can write more as you need to, or if you wanted to, you can copy and paste. So the important thing about it, just say for example, here's some dummy text. If you're going to copy and paste, it's important. See how we've got this kind of pink heading and there's different kind of font and things like that. When you're copying and pasting from another document or wherever it may be, it's important to paste. Click here and select text mode and then paste in your text. And the reason why we do that is just strips out any kind of additional formatting that may be in the other file, and that's really important to do. And then we just click back onto visual and we just clean it up a little bit because we saw that that didn't have a clean return there. And it's nice and easy, like I said before, formatting. You could make something bold, you can unselect that bold. If you don't see these bottom options down here, there's this option here that says toggle toolbar, and what we may do down here is select a heading 2. Important thing here is don't use heading 1, as the heading 1 has already been used up here for the main title of the page. And let's just say now that you're happy with all those changes that you've done, and what you can do on the right hand side now, you can got this preview changes, so you can actually look at the page before you make it go live. Because as soon as, and by saying go live on this option here that says update, once you click update, that makes that go, if this was on the true website, it would actually just make that go live and anyone could see those changes. So it's up to you whether you want to just do it this way, and you can get a preview and go, oh yeah, that's nicely formatted, yep, that's exactly how I like it. And you can just click update. It's taking its time. Alright, go there, it's done now. So when you view the page, it's going to be live and people can see that now. So I'm just going to return this back to what we had previously. It's going to highlight all that text, delete it out, and because I'm pasting from another document, put it into text mode, click paste, just look at it visually, yeah, and I can see it's updated nicely there. So that was pretty much the fundamentals of updating and editing text on the website. And just while we're here, we can just view this page, because we're going to just look at some of those other options. You can see on the right hand side here, it's got accommodation inclusions. It's got all these items here. Then down as well over here, we got these options: sleeps 2 and bedrooms, how many rooms, etc. So on the accommodation pages, you get some additional bit of editing boxes, we'll call them. And you can see here that you can, how many people to sleep in the room, so we can add 2, 4, 6, etc. and as well as the bedrooms. And down here we've got to add a link to the booking website. You may have seen that next to bedrooms. And then down here, the inclusions. If you need to add more inclusions or edit inclusions, the important thing here is make sure that when you add them, they're being added as a bullet list, because that just formats it correctly on the side. So I'm just going to, don't really need to click update, it's already done. Just going to click up here to view the page. And we can see that there's that sleeps 2, bedrooms 1, and view prices. When you click on it, it'll take you over to the booking website. And you can see on the side here, there's all those accommodation inclusions. Just notice there's a small extra space in there. I'm just going to quickly click edit page. Go down here. Yes, there it was. And just click update. Nice and easy. That was just a small formatting issue, and now it's been fixed. Nice and easy. View the page. And let's just look at a standard page. Yep, that's been fixed now. And just say, for example, contact. You can see that there's some formatting issues here. So I'm just going to click edit page. Seems to be a little bit more space in there. Yep, you can see that by going to visual. I'm just going to delete them out and put my mouse cursor there. Just delete these out. Click update. Because it's just a standard page, you'll see that it only has the one box there for editing and adding text. So that is pretty much it for updating or editing text on a page. There was probably only a few other little things to make note of, because you'll notice that we've been editing pages. There's also posts as well, and they're very similar to a page as well. Normally once you create a post, it gets placed into a category, and we've used categories within the website for things such as, we'll just have a look now. Say for example, facilities. Click on there. We can see that there's displaying what posts all on the one page, because the facilities is a category and it has all these posts assigned to it. So once again, similar for editing a page, you just click on that particular post and you just click on edit. And once again, you got this option in here to update and edit the text. You will see this more option here. It's just something to take note of, and that's just something that when it gets displayed on the category page, you'll see Bateman's Bay. Let's just remove this more. So we've got this Bateman's Bay here. When we click update, so this is Corrigan Cove facility highlights. Now I'm just going to view the post. Go back to facilities, and you'll see that we've got all this text in here. Let's just say we don't want to have that all displayed within that category. We don't want all that post to be open like that. We don't even really want it to just be a kind of a snippet. We can easily do that by going into selecting that particular post and then clicking up the top here to edit the post, and I'm just going to click return there, and we've got this option here, insert read more tag, and you can see that it's added there. Just going to click update. Now when we view the post by itself, it displays the whole article. You can see there it's displaying all that information, but when we go back to the category, which is facilities, we'll notice here, we go back to facilities, Corrigan Cove facility highlights. You can see there that it's only showing that bit of first paragraph, and then the read more option. So that's just a little bit of an overview of adding and editing text on the website. If you've got any questions, please ask.